Alrighty guys, got a 2016 Honda Pilot, and we're going to go ahead and reset the maintenance minder for you. The maintenance minder code here is coming up as a B12. B is your standard oil and oil filter change, tire rotation, as well as engine air filter and cabin air filter replacements. This vehicle, you do it through the main informational display at the dash. You're going to see a couple of different items there. The one you're going to choose is settings. You're going to go ahead and pick the vehicle settings, and then we're going to go ahead and set it up for the maintenance information. So you press that. It'll let you know what services are due. You hit reset. Would you like to reset maintenance information? Oil life 15%. Yes, we would. Go ahead and reset. There it goes, it's cleared. Back at the dash here in your informational display, it'll give you an oil can that says oil life 100%. This means it has been completely reset and is good to go until the next oil change. If you have any other cars you'd like me to do this procedure on, please leave it in the comments below and we can help you out with that. Till next time guys, have a good rest of your day. Take care.